Back again, guys. Doing some more work on the old 69 Ford. Just wanted to show you another hack. Excuse my scratching there. Mosquito bit me. Yesterday I was taking some spark plugs out of it to clean them because it's using oil like crazy. Valve seals are bad on a couple of the cylinders. And I snapped off a spark plug. You know, as many years as I've been doing this and as careful as I try to be, it happens. So I was irritated, but I had a new plug, and so it wasn't a big deal. Plus, there was an opportunity. If you take the spark plug, bust the ceramic out, you add an air chuck fitting, weld that dude in, I now have the fitting to screw into the spark plug hole to hook your air coupler to, so that I can now keep the valves closed as I remove the springs and retainers so that I can put in the new valve seals. And just for representation, this is a different plug. But if you ever want to take the ceramic out of these plugs, this little rolled over metal part right there, that's a crimp. The ceramic is bigger than this diameter down inside this body. You can beat and pound and drill if you had carbide drill, but the easiest way to get it out is to cut. Either grind, cut with a cutoff wheel. You could do it with a hacksaw even. Cut right along this edge, right above the hex. If you have one that's not broken, snap this completely off. Makes it easier. You could even take a chisel. It don't work the best, but you take a chisel, go around, take that off. Then flip it over, knock the side electrode off, break out the center, take you a long punch. Be careful not to expand your body and your threads and everything, but take you a long punch and knock all that ceramic out this end. And, you know, when you're done, you have a hollow body. You can see this air coupling had a hex on it. Well, that hex is now down inside this hex. And what I did was I just slid them together, put them in the vise, and very carefully just pressed them together. And then, like I said, I welded it. So that's an easy way to make some tools. I mean, honestly, I'm flat broke at the moment, and it's 12 miles to town one way. So even the driving to town, the gas and the time involved and everything, I saved that. Plus, I have this tool now. I didn't borrow it, I didn't rent it, I have it, and it didn't really cost anything other than a little bit of electricity, a little bit of time. Another use for something like this. If you were to build a compressor, if you wanted to build a compressor, and you've got an old Wisconsin engine, the old Wisconsins, especially the ones with the magnetos on them, used a big Ford thread like this and a big spark plug. If you take and do this, screw this into the spark plug hole on an old Wisconsin single cylinder, you can hook your air coupling to here, put you a check valve in, and you can run that old motor with an electric motor or with another engine, and you have yourself an air compressor. So another use for this little hack, but just a little quick thing to show you. Just another one of the redneck cheapy things we do around here to keep the vehicles going or try to improve them. Thanks for watching, guys.